According to Washington, D.C.'s lottery's website, for its Cherry Blossom Doubler Instant Scratch game, the chance of winning a prize on a given ticket is about 17%. Imagine that a person stops at a convenience store on the way home from work every Monday and Tuesday to buy a scratcher ticket to play the game. A. Develop a tree diagram showing the 4 possible outcomes of playing over these 2 days. Call stage 1 Monday, so that's our event. And stage 2 is going to be called Tuesday. Then it says, and use symbols W for winning and L for non-winning tickets. So W for win, L for lose. Well, on Monday, you can either win or lose. It doesn't matter if you win or lose on Monday. Your chances of winning on Tuesday and losing on Tuesday come from both of them. Here's the key piece that people typically miss. It says the chance of winning a prize on a given ticket is about 17%. So anywhere you see a W, you need to write in 17%. But we are going to use the decimal version. 17% as a decimal, the decimal gets moved twice, is 0.17. But only for the wins. If the chance of winning is 17%, and the total possible outcome should come out to 100%, how much is the likelihood or the probability that you're going to lose? 100 minus 17 is 83. So anywhere you see an L, you should use 0.83, that percent written as a decimal. Okay. We've created our tree diagram. Now we need to list our outcomes over here. Remember, each one is a branch. Win, win. Win, lose. Lose, win. Or lose, lose. To figure out the probability of each of these outcomes, we multiply along the branch. So for that first one, it's going to be 0.17 times 0.17. The next one's going to be 0.17 times 0.83. Lose win will be this one here. Is going to be 0.83 times 0.17. This one will be 0.83 times 0.83. Go ahead and type all those into your calculator and write down all the decimals for those. If you need to pause your video, you can do that now. Okay, for B. What is the chance that a player will not win on Monday but will win on Tuesday? So that's going to be the lose on Monday, win on Tuesday outcome. for that one, you should have had 0.1411, which is about 14%. Apparently I missed that 3. For C. C says, what is the chance that the player will win at least once during the 2-day period? So we're looking for any that have at least one W. And we're going to add their probabilities together. Or we can take one whole and remove the piece that we don't want. So I'm going to take 1 and I'm going to subtract 0.83 times 0.83, which will come out to 0.311. 111, sorry. So winning at least once. The probability of that happening is about 31% of the time.